Welcome back everyone. In this video, we will be creating pie charts and bar charts. So let's start off with the pie chart first. I will first rename the sheet that we created in our last lecture. This was highlight table. So I'll just name it that way. Then I'll create a new sheet. On the new sheet, we will follow the same methodology which we followed in the last few lectures. That is, I will go to the show me, and over there I'll hover my mouse on top of pie chart. It's asking me for one or more dimensions and one or two measures. So I'll provide that. I'll select category, sales, and then I'll put in a pie. Now, if I want to break down this pie by, let's say, any other dimension, I can do that. So for example, if I drag the segment to the rows, it will break down the pies by segment. And we have three segments in this data set: consumer, corporate, and home office. So it's breaking the pie down that way. Similarly, if I want to break it down further, let's say by year, I can drag the order date into the columns and it will break it down by year. And then of course I can go one level deeper, break it down by quarter, and so on. Moving on, we have the bar charts or the column charts. Since pie chart was a quick one, I'm thinking to cover the bar charts and the column charts in this video as well. So let's move on. I'll first name this sheet as pie, and then I'll create a new sheet. Let's follow the same approach with the bar charts as well. I'll go to show me and first check what is required in order to set up a bar chart. It's asking me for 0 or more dimensions and 1 or more measures. So in order to set up a bar chart, let's say go with segment, and then I'll select sales. That will be enough to give me a basic bar chart. I'll hide the show me menu. Now, if I want to break down the segment sales by, let's say, category, I can drag the category into the rows column just in front of the segment. And again, note that these bars are showing the sales for all the 4 years. If I want to break it down by year, I can do that by dragging the order date and putting it just right before the measures in the column. And there we go. Now, bar charts and column charts are kind of a mirror image of each other. So if you want to convert this bar chart into a column chart, you can go to this option and swipe rows and columns, and that will give you a column chart. In the next video, we will continue the discussion on charts and learn about a few other chart types. So I look forward to seeing you there.